Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review a case for the iPhone 13 Pro which I purchased on AliExpress. It took a couple of weeks to arrive from China, but this case is a sort of very rugged one with a metal stand in it, as you can see here, as well as a magnetic clamp so that you can clamp it into any magnetic accessories. So what I'm going to do now is, as you can see, it says that it has a built-in metal back stand. I'm going to slip the iPhone 13 Pro into this case, and first impressions are it clips in nicely. So that means that it fits in very well. There's no extra space in the case itself. In terms of protection for the camera module, it's not great, as in it's only protecting the edges. There is a slight lip above the camera module, as you can see here, but it's not great, as in it leaves a lot of the camera module exposed, unlike other cases we've seen here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. But apart from that, I have to say the feel is very snug. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone, despite the appearances and the design. Let's have a look at the buttons and how they work. So on-off button works fine. There seems to be no stickiness there. So I'm just going to unlock my iPhone. Let's have a look at how the volume rocker works. Volume up is fine, no stickiness there. Volume down is fine. So that's usually a key concern with these inexpensive cases, is sometimes the buttons and their placement can be a little bit sticky, in the sense that if you press the volume up button, it may get stuck and carry on pushing the volume up or down, or not make contact whatsoever. In this case, it's working great. There is a cutout for the silent mode rocker. That's great. In terms of cutouts, nothing at the top. At the bottom, we have an asymmetric disposition of the speaker grills, so it mirrors what's on the device, as well as space for the lightning port. On the right hand side, as we saw, we have the power button. On the left, we have that. There is no cutout on this case for a lanyard, so you can't put a lanyard loop in to carry that. Apart from that, I can say that there is a bit of a lip on the screen itself, so if you were to put it down on an even surface face down, it will give the screen a bit of lift. It will avoid the screen getting scratched. But as always, I recommend you use a screen protector and don't put your phone face down where possible. Anyway, so let's quickly wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And for now, thanks for watching from me.